Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we are out here in Minnehaha Falls. I tell you what, this is a great state park just outside of Minneapolis. I've never been here before, and I look forward to checking out some of the trails. Let's keep moving. Anyway, so this area was purchased from the Dakota tribe by Zebulon Pike in 1805 from the Dakota tribe. Then in 1889, this area was actually established by Minnesota as a state park, and Minnehaha Falls was actually the staple that was going to be the main attraction for this area. All right. So I'm out here on the Buckley Trail doing some urban exploring in Minneapolis. In fact, yesterday when I got into town, went out to Loring Park, checked out the sculpture garden. That was pretty cool. All kinds of sculptures, everything that was featured in his video. Obviously I saw that too, but now I'm walking a mile in Buckley shoes here at Minnehaha Falls. Okay, so this particular area actually feeds into the Mississippi River, and that's in fact where we're heading down this way. There's supposed to be a beach area and things to check out. Out here on a Sunday morning, it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Oh, 8:45, I'm a liar. Wow, I wonder what caused this dugout or something of that nature. It's like someone bored it out. All right, so we just walked down to this area that leads into the Mississippi River. Great view of the river, and there's people fishing. It's just a very peaceful place to be. Again, I've been out here for about an hour or so just exploring some of these side trails. And I'm having a good time. Look, it's a mink. Well, that was pretty cool. I think that was a mink. I'm not sure exactly what that was. It's a cool animal though. Forged the river, or the creek. Anyway, as you can see, we're just heading on this trail. It doesn't feel like the rest of the park by any means. Haven't seen anyone out here on this side, so hopefully I'm heading in the right direction. So it looks like we're back on the beaten path per se. Whoops, evidently this is a the area's been blocked off, but did not see that on the other side. I think the loop continues on. Alright, so we've made it back to this rock we saw earlier that had a map on it. Minnesota rocks! So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.